back to my channel. If this is your first time watching my video, my name is Brandy, and in this channel I make mainly beauty related content, including makeup tutorials, product reviews, hauls, and all that good stuff. Sometimes I also incorporate fashion as well. So if you are interested in this type of content, make sure to subscribe for more. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's up babe? Thank you for spending the time and hanging out with me. So today I am back with this aquamarine inspired makeup tutorial with this blue kind of, gradient type of eyeshadow and with a little rhinestone right here. So yeah, summer is almost all the way through, so I hope that this summery look can lift up your mood. And if you are interested in terms of how okay guys, I have to apologize. Today my blog is super duper lit. They're playing music all day long, so I have to get this video up by Thursday, so I have to film today, and that's why. So if you hear the music, just to know that people are just outside enjoying. If you are interested in how I create this look, then without further ado, let's get the video started.
So as usual, I have finished my foundation and I'm starting off with my brows. This time I'm using a new eyebrow pencil from UNT Global. This product was gifted to me and I really like the way it applies. So this one contains a pencil applicator on one end and a spoolie on the other, and then within it also has a brow powder. You're gonna see it the way I apply. Here I'm using the shade BR05 dark brown. I really like the texture. It feels just right, not too creamy and not too hard either. I really like the brow powder as well. If you have sparse eyebrows like me, this will make filling in so much easier. Next, I'm prepping my eyes for some colorful eyeshadows that we're gonna use later, and as usual I am using the Too Faced concealer as a base, and also we are going to carve out the brows so our brows can look a little bit more defined. For the eyeshadows, I'm using multiple eyeshadow palettes today because I can't find all the colors I want in just one single palette. The first one I'm using is the NORVINA mini palette in volume 3. I'm using this matte sky blue shade to go over the lid and build the color up above my crease as a transition shade. Blending takes a lot of time. So as you can see, I have edited this video and I've edited out a lot of footages because if I leave the blending time in, this video will be over 30 minutes. After we lay down this matte light blue shade, we're gonna do a cut crease so I can create a nice gradient shimmer blue within the space later, and also the colors will look definitely more vibrant as well. For the shimmer shades, I'm gonna first use the Urban Decay Born to Run palette in the shade Big Sky. This is a light minty turquoise metallic shade, and as you can see, I am using a flat brush to pack this color on the center of my lid. And then I'm gonna take this midnight blue shimmer shade from the E.L.F Bite Size eyeshadow palette and pack this on the outer half of the eye, not quite to the outer corner yet, and we're gonna try to blend it out nicely with the turquoise shimmer shade as well. There's some fallout here, but not too much to my surprise actually. So yeah, this eyeshadow palette is definitely pretty good. So next, I'm taking this cool tone silver shimmer shade from another E.L.F Bite Size eyeshadow palette called Truffles. Again, I will leave all the product information down in the description box, so make sure to check that out. I'm using this color to finish off the cut crease gradient look and place that just right at the inner corner and brighten up the whole eyes as well. And now I am taking this super dark brown, and actually on the eyes it looks more like a black color, and pack this shade on the outer corner to add a smoky and another dimension to the gradient look that we're going for today. And now we're pretty much done placing all the shades on the upper eyelids, and what we have to do now is to blend everything together and make sure the transition of each color is smooth and seamless. Girls, you already know, you just have to blend, blend, blend. Blending is everything. Okay, bottom lash line time. This is the simplest step for the whole tutorial actually. So basically what you're gonna do is to use the same shimmer shades that I used earlier in the same order that I put on the upper eyelids, and we're gonna place that down and smudge it out a little bit, and then don't forget to connect a little bit of that eyeshadow at the outer corner to the upper eye as well, so the whole smokiness is cohesive. And to give this look a little more pizzazz, I am taking this iridescent shimmer shade from the mini NORVINA palette and just sweep that color across the cut crease area. Personally, I really adore all different type of shimmer shades, so I just like my eyeshadows shimmery. Okay, so if you don't like this type of effect, you can totally skip it. You don't have to do this step. You can just go ahead and do your eyeliner and put on your false lashes, and that's it. But if you are like me and you like shimmer shades, then you gotta do this step, girl. And trust me, your eyes are gonna look so mesmerizing. Now that the eyeshadows are complete, we are going to finish off the eye look with eyeliner and false lashes. And yeah, the eyeliner I'm doing here again is this very thin and very subtle winged eyeliner. And comment down below and let me know what type of eyeliner do you prefer on a daily basis, or do you even do eyeliner at all? I would like to know. I'm curious. Let me know. Okay, and now we're back with the false eyelashes on. Here I'm just kind of like improvising a little bit. I was feeling a little bit bedazzled, so I wanted to add a little bit of rhinestones. Originally I wanted to add more, but then rhinestones just take me forever to get on, so I stopped after these two. And what do you guys think? Moving on to my face, as you can see here, I'm gonna quickly finish off with some highlights and contour, blush, and lip color at the end. So after we're done with our face, the highlights and everything, we're gonna go in with the lips, and here I'm using two different shades. One is from Charlotte Tilbury Stone Rose, this orangey type of satin shade, and then we're gonna apply these rouge red color around the lip, and then just use our finger to blend everything out together and create a more of a muted lip look. Okay everyone, so this is pretty much it for today's look, and I don't know, when I was looking at this final look, I'm kind of inspired to do like a Disney princess makeup tutorial series, and let me know in the comments below if you guys are interested to see that. I want to know your ideas.
I love the way she moves, yeah. When she's watering our garden with the headphones, singing off key Ariana through the window.
Okay babes, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope that this look will inspire you to play with more colors in terms of makeups, and if you ever recreate this look, definitely let me know and tag me on Instagram. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, go ahead and head over there. I will put my handler somewhere here again. So yeah, and thank you guys for watching, and as always, I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!